Hello friends, welcome to SAP Knowledge Transfer channel. Today's session is SAP MM source list. Before going to session, like and share my video, uh, comment your valuable feedbacks. If you have any doubt, mention on the comment section, I will reply on that. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Today agenda is what is source list maintain, source list change, source list display, list of source list by material. What is source list? Source list specify the time period of the ordering a particular material from a given vendor. So we given any order to vendor, we mention the time period in the source list. Let's see practically. For maintain source list, T code is ME01. It will navigate to maintain source list screen. We can access through SAP menu also. SAP menu, click logistics, click material management, click purchasing, click master data, click source list. Here ME01 maintain the source list, ME03 display source list, ME04 changes the source list. So click on ME01. So here mandatory input are material and plant. My material is 287 and KU P1. Enter. Here required input for valid from I mean enter valid from today to 1 year. I will change last digit of year 2021. I give vendor. This vendor is enterprises purchase organization KUP1 and select on the fixed vendor. Okay, if you enter, it shows the error. Purchasing organization KUP1 not defined. Or purchase organization KUPO. So I will save the source list. Okay, so the purchase info record is very mandatory for the source list. If not maintain any purchase info record before creation maintain the source list, it will not allow to maintain the source list. We'll see. Here I will any vendor I will mention. I will mention this vendor. It will they will also see the error info record for vendor and the material not exist. It means purchase info record not material for this part number and this vendor. So it shows the error. So before maintain the source list, you should maintain the purchase info record. We maintain the source list. Change the display the source list through ME032 code. material and plan. You see the display the source list or valid from to vendors, purchase organization, fix it or not. You see the you can want see the changes. You click on ME04. You give the material and plan. Here there is changes, but here we not do any changes, so it will not be the any entry here. For list of source list, we can take on by ME0MT code. Given material, very good plant also. This is the list of source list by the material. So we have many vendors, it will be appear here. So this is the overview of source list, maintain and display and changes and the list of vendors. I hope today's session is useful for you. Thank you friend. Please like and share my videos. Comment your feedbacks. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends.